Oppo Find X2 Neo with 5G support, Snapdragon 765G SoC spotted on Dutch retail website, price tipped. Oppo last month unveiled the Oppo Find X2 series that included Oppo Find X2 and Find X2 Pro smartphones. The company recently launched a new addition to the series, Find X2 Lite in Portugal. Now, a Dutch retail website is indicating the addition of another Find X2 phone called the Oppo Find X2 Neo. The website highlights the price and major specifications of the Find X2 Neo smartphone that includes 5G support, Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G SoC, and more. Notably, this is not the first time that the rumored Oppo smartphone is in the news. Last month, a report had claimed that Oppo will launch its China-specific Oppo Reno 3 to other countries as a part of the Find X2 series. Oppo Find X2 Neo price, expected. The Oppo Find X2 Neo that is listed on Dutch retail website, Belsimpel, comes in a single 256GB storage variant that is available in black and blue color option. The phone is priced at €719, roughly 59,900 rupees, and is available for pre-order. To recall, the 12GB plus 256GB variant of Oppo Find X2 is priced at €999, roughly 83,400 rupees. The price of Oppo Find X2 Lite that was launched this week is yet to be revealed. It is also important to note that Oppo has not confirmed the launch of Oppo Find X2 Neo. There's no word on Find X2 Neo on Oppo Netherlands website either. Oppo Find X2 Neo specifications, expected. According to Belsimpel, the single SIM, Nano, Oppo Find X2 Neo runs Android 10 with ColorOS 7 on top. The phone features a 6.5-inch AMOLED display with a 90Hz refresh rate and 1,080x2,400 pixels resolution. The phone further has an in-display fingerprint scanner and is powered by the octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G SoC. The Oppo Find X2 Neo comes with 12GB of RAM. Coming to the cameras, the Oppo Find X2 Neo is listed with a quad-camera setup that includes a 48-megapixel main camera with f/1.7 aperture along with a 13-megapixel secondary camera with f/2.4 aperture, as well as an 8-megapixel tertiary camera with f/2.2 aperture. Lastly, there's a 2-megapixel camera with f/2.4 aperture on the back panel. For selfies, the Oppo Find X2 Neo includes a 44-megapixel camera with f/2.0 aperture, housed inside the hole punch. As previously mentioned, Find X2 Neo comes with 256GB onboard storage. In terms of connectivity, the Oppo Find X2 comes with GPS support, Bluetooth V5.1, and dual-band Wi-Fi. The phone packs a 4,025 mAh battery that supports fast charging. Lastly, the Find X2 Neo weighs 171 grams and measures 159.4 x 72.4 x 7.7 mm. Interestingly, several aforementioned features including the processor, rear camera setup and battery capacity are identical to those on Oppo Reno 3 Pro 5G as noted in the previous report. More information about the Find X2 Neo is expected from the company soon. For more updates subscribe to Tech News and share this video.